Celebrating 70 years of excellence, Joyce has proudly manufactured and installed custom home improvements since 1955. Each of our sunrooms is custom engineered to meet the unique dreams of our customers and installed by our team for a seamless experience. From screen rooms to patio covers, 3- and 4-season sunrooms, studios and gables, we build it all. And we build it better. We pioneered the first fully integrated vinyl sunroom in 1997 and have been perfecting our craft ever since, building high-quality sunrooms backed by decades of experience. Our vinyl formula is what makes our sunrooms a step above the rest in energy efficiency, weather resistance, and durability. Our windows and doors are all custom-built in our factory in Berea, Ohio. Every sunroom is pre-built in sections by our expert technicians. They are built and installed by our trained and certified installers for a quick and seamless build. Together we design it, we manufacture it, we install it, and we guarantee it for life.